You're watching Statistics Made Simple, and I am Savita Valsang. In this video, we'll find solutions to problems based on the age-specific fertility rate and total fertility rate. Problem 13. Compute ASFRs from the following data. You have age group in years 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29, 30 to 34, 35 to 39, 40 to 44, and 45 to 49. Female population 58,000, 60,000, 56,000, 55,000, 50,000, 44,000, 40,000. Number of live births 1,392, 9,000, 11,928, 6,490, 1,650, 572, 60. Here, observe that all the age groups are having the width as 5. And when we find out ASFRs for age groups with width 5, they are called as quinquennial ASFRs. And also observe that only the childbearing period, that is 15 to 49 years, is taken into consideration. So since they have asked us to find out ASFRs for all the age groups, let's start with the solution. Consider ASFR is equal to number of live births occurring to women in a specific age group divided by average population of women in the specific age group into 1000. Now, you need not show the calculations for each and every age group. So just write only the formula once and then show the calculation for at least one of the age groups. That's what I have done here. So ASFR for 15 to 19 is equal to, so it will be number of live births in that age group divided by average population of women in that age group into 1000. So from the table, it is equal to 1,392 divided by 58,000 into 1000, and you get the ASFR for the age group 15 to 19 years as 24. Now, in a similar way, the ASFRs are obtained for the remaining age groups and are written in a column as shown above. So, I have highlighted here in red color. So, the ASFRs for all the age groups are 24, 150, 213, 118, 33, 13, 1.5. Now, if ASFRs are in decimals, you can just take two places after the decimal after rounding off. Problem 14. Find ASFRs from the following data. Age group in years 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29, 30 to 34, 35 to 39, 40 to 44, 45 to 49. The female population is 14,000, 15,000, 14,000, 12,000, 13,000, 12,000, 11,000. Number of live births are 840, 1,350, 2,800, 1,200, 1,040, 960, 550. Solution. First write the formula for ASFR, which is equal to number of live births occurring to women in a specific age group divided by average population of women in the specific age group into 1000. So let us calculate ASFR for the age group 15 to 19 years, which is equal to, it is 840 divided by 14,000 into 1000, which is equal to 60. Now, in a similar way, you can find out the ASFRs for the remaining age groups, that is 20 to 24 till 45 to 49, and then write down all the ASFRs in the column as I have shown on the right hand side, which is highlighted in pink color. So the ASFRs for all the age groups are 60, 90, 200, 100, 80, 80 and 5. Problem 15. The following table gives the age and sex distribution and the number of live births occurring in a population. Compute CBR, GFR, and ASFR for the age group 25 to 39 years. Age group in years are 0 to 14, 15 to 24, 25 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 79, 80 and above. The male population is 46,000, 34,000, 39,000, 30,000, 27,000, 3,000. Female population 43,000, 35,000, 38,000, 28,000, 26,000, 4,000. Number of live births are 0, 6,846, 3,893, 674, 0, 0. Now, since in this particular problem, we need to find out the crude birth rate, that is CBR, we have to find out the total of the male population and female population, and we also need the total number of live births. So, the totals are highlighted in pink color and they are 1,79,000, that is the total male population. The total female population is 1,74,000 and the total number of live births is 11,413. Starting with the solution, first write the formula for CBR. Consider CBR is equal to number of live births occurring in a year divided by average population in a year into 1000. So by now you should know that the average population for CBR is nothing but the male population plus the female population. So substituting all the totals, we get equal to 11,413 divided by 1,79,000 plus 1,74,000 into 1000. Therefore, CBR is equal to 32.33. Now, we have to calculate GFR. So, write the formula. Consider GFR is equal to number of live births occurring to women in the childbearing age divided by average population of women in the childbearing age into 1000. Now keep in mind that for GFR calculation, you have to use only women in the childbearing age, and the childbearing age is 15 to 49 years, and you use their corresponding live births. I have placed this remark in the green color box. Now if we go back to the table, you can see that the childbearing age is from 15 to 49 years. So in the age group column, you have to use only 15 to 24, 25 to 39, 40 to 49 age groups, which I have highlighted in a green color box, and you have to make use of the corresponding female population in these three age groups, that is 35,000, 38,000, 28,000, which is also highlighted in green color, and the total is 1,01,000. And make use of only the number of live births in those three age groups, and the total will be 11,413 for the number of live births. So substituting all these totals in the GFR formula, you get 11,413 divided by 1,01,000 into 1000. Therefore, GFR is equal to 113. Now, they have only asked us to find out ASFR for a specific age group, that is 25 to 39 years. So, write the formula for ASFR as: consider ASFR within brackets 25 to 39 is equal to number of live births occurring to women in the age group 25 to 39 years divided by average population of women in the age group 25 to 39 years into 1000. Now, from the table, you find out the number of live births and the average population of women in that specific age group, that is 25 to 39 years, and substitute. So, you'll get ASFR for 25 to 39 is equal to 3,893 divided by 38,000 into 1000, which is equal to 102.45. Problem 16. Compute CBR, GFR and ASFR for the age group 15 to 24 years. In the first column, you have age group in years 0 to 9, 10 to 14, 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 and above. The male population is 6,400, 5,430, 6,300, 2,300, 4,700, 5,600, 2,800. The female population is 5,197, 6,153, 7,888, 3,444, 3,800, 4,400, 1,119. Number of live births are 0, 0, 510, 880, 277, 45, 0. Now, since we have to find out CBR and GFR, we need to find out the male population, female population and number of live births total. So the totals are highlighted in pink color, and the male population total is 33,530, female population total is 31,001, and the total number of live births is 1,712. Starting with the solution, we'll first find out CBR. So consider CBR is equal to the number of live births occurring in a year divided by average population in a year into 1000. So again, for the average population for CBR, you have to make use of the total of the male population and female population. So substituting, you get equal to 1712 divided by 33,530 plus 31,001 into 1000. Therefore, CBR is equal to 26.53. Next, we find out GFR. So, write GFR is equal to number of live births occurring to women in the childbearing age divided by average population of women in the childbearing age into 1000. Again, keep in mind that for GFR calculation, use only women in the childbearing age, that is 15 to 49 years, and make use of their corresponding live births. So if we go back to the table, you have to choose only the age groups 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 39, 40 to 49. And you take a look at the corresponding female population values, which are 7,888, 3,444, 3,800, 4,400, and the total of these values is 19,532, and the total number of live births for these age groups is 1,712. Now all the calculations are highlighted in green color for GFR. So substituting these values, you get GFR is equal to 1712 divided by 19,532 into 1000. Therefore, GFR is equal to 87.65. Next, we need to find out ASFR for the age group 15 to 24 years. So write the formula. Consider ASFR within brackets 15 to 24 is equal to number of live births occurring to women in the age group 15 to 24 years divided by average population of women in the age group 15 to 24 years into 1000. Now let us go back to the table and then find the age group 15 to 24 years in it. So in the first column, I have highlighted the age groups 15 to 24 in an oval shape in blue color. So you have to take only the age groups 15 to 19 and 20 to 24, and now you see their corresponding female population, because we should take only women in that specific age group. So the two values are 7,888 and 3,444, which is also highlighted in a blue color oval. and you should take into consideration the number of live births in those two age groups, which is 510 and 880, which are again highlighted in a blue colored oval. Now, keep in mind that for this particular calculation, you have to make use of only the values highlighted in blue color in the table. So you get ASFR for the age group 15 to 24 years equal to 510 plus 880 divided by 7888 plus 3444 into 1000, which is equal to 1390 divided by 11332 into 1000. Therefore, ASFR for the age group 15 to 24 years is equal to 122.66. Problem 17. The quinquennial ASFRs for women of childbearing age of a community are 25, 60, 70, 40, 20, 12, and 5. Compute TFR. Start with the solution. Now, since we have to find out TFR, that means the total fertility rate, we make use of the TFR formula, which is based on the quinquennial ASFRs. So, consider TFR is equal to 5 times summation quinquennial ASFRs, which is equal to, it is 5 into within brackets. It is a sum of the quinquennial ASFRs. So they are already given to you in the problem. So it is 25 plus 60 plus 70 plus 40 plus 20 plus 12 plus 5, which is equal to 5 into 232, or you get TFR is equal to 1160. Problem 18. The quinquennial ASFRs for women of childbearing age group of a community are 25, 114, 150, 180, 30, 110, and 4. Compute TFR. Solution. Write the formula. Consider TFR is equal to 5 times summation quinquennial ASFR, which is equal to 5 into, write the sum of the quinquennial ASFRs, which is 25 plus 114 plus 150 plus 180 plus 30 plus 110 plus 4, which is equal to 5 into 613. Therefore, TFR is equal to 3065. Problem 19. Calculate TFR for the following data. Also calculate the average number of children born to women of the childbearing age. A TFR question is important and is usually asked for 5 marks in the exam. Age group in years 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29, 30 to 34, 35 to 39, 40 to 44, 45 to 49. The corresponding female populations are 1000, 2500, 3000, 2200, 800, 400, 200. The number of live births are 60, 200, 390, 110, 50, 10, 0. To find out the total fertility rate, we first need to find out the age-specific fertility rates, that is ASFR. So under solution, we will write the formula of ASFR first. So consider ASFR is equal to number of live births occurring to women in a specific age group divided by average population of women in the specific age group into 1000. So keep in mind that you should always write the ASFR formula and show at least one calculation of ASFR for a particular age group. So the ASFR for the age group 15 to 19 will be 60 divided by 1000 into 1000, which is equal to 60. Now in a similar way, calculate the ASFRs for the remaining age groups and write them in a column as I have done and highlighted in pink color. So the ASFRs after calculations are 60, 80, 130, 50, 62.5, 25 and 0. Now find out summation ASFR, which is required for TFR calculation, which is equal to 407.5. Next, write the formula for TFR. So consider TFR is equal to 5 times summation quinquennial ASFR, which implies TFR is equal to 5 into 407.5. Therefore, TFR is equal to 2037.5. They have also asked us to find out the average number of children born to women. So this is found using the formula TFR divided by 1000, which is equal to 2037.5 divided by 1000, which is equal to 2.0375. Now, since we are finding out the average number of children, you have to round off the value to a whole number. So the average number of children born to women is 2, which is highlighted in blue color. This is an important step. Please keep it in mind. Problem 20. Calculate TFR for the following data. The age group in years are 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29, 30 to 34, 35 to 39, 40 to 44, 45 to 49. The female population are 50,000, 60,000, 45,000, 40,000, 30,000, 25,000, 20,000. Number of live births are 1,000, 7,000, 8,000, 5,000, 900, 150. So start with the formula for ASFR. So under solution, write consider ASFR is equal to number of live births occurring to women in a specific age group divided by average population of women in the specific age group into 1000. Please write the entire formula in words correctly. Do not use any short forms. Let us now calculate ASFR for one of the age groups, that is 15 to 19, which is equal to 1000 divided by 50,000 into 1000, which is equal to 20. In a similar way, find out the ASFRs for the remaining age groups, and I have written all the ASFRs in the column which is highlighted in pink color, and the values are 20, 116.67, 177.78, 125, 30, 4 and 2.5. So you get summation ASFR is equal to 475.95. Now let us find out TFR, which is equal to 5 times summation quinquennial ASFR, which implies TFR is equal to 5 into 475.95, or you get TFR is equal to 2379.75. Problem 21. From the following data, calculate TFRs and compare the fertility of the two cities. In the first column, age group in years 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29, 30 to 34, 35 to 39, 40 to 44 and 45 to 49. The female population for city A is 14,000, 15,000, 14,000, 12,000, 13,000, 12,000, 11,000. And the female population for city B is 47,000, 50,000, 46,000, 44,000, 40,000, 39,000, 30,000. Number of live births for city A is 1,204, 2,295, 2,590, 1,236, 936, 288, 33. And for city B, it is 1,222, 7,400, 9,660, 5,544, 5,760, 1,360 and 507. Under solution, let us first write the formula for ASFR, which is equal to number of live births occurring to women in a specific age group divided by average population of women in the specific age group into 1000. So all the ASFR calculations for city A are shown on the left hand side of the slide, and all the calculations for ASFR for city B are shown on the right hand side of the slide. So starting with city A, the ASFR for the age group 15 to 19 is equal to 1204 divided by 14,000 into 1000, which is equal to 86. In a similar way, obtain the remaining ASFRs for the other age groups and then write them in the table or in a column which is highlighted in pink color as 86, 153, 185, 103, 72, 24, 3, and we get summation ASFR is equal to 626. Now in a similar way for city B, we find out ASFR for the age group 15 to 19, which is equal to 1222 divided by 47,000 into 1000, which is equal to 26. So after calculating the remaining ASFRs for the other age groups, we get the ASFRs as 26, 148, 210, 126, 144, 34.87, 16.9. And you get summation ASFR is equal to 705.77. So now that we have summation ASFR for both city A and city B, we need to find out the total fertility rate for both the cities. So start with city A, right? Consider TFR of A is equal to 5 times summation quinquennial ASFR, which implies TFR of A is equal to 5 into 626. Therefore, TFR of A is equal to 3130. And for city B, consider TFR of B is equal to 5 times summation quinquennial ASFR, which implies TFR of B is equal to 5 into 705.77. Therefore, TFR of B is equal to 3528.85. Now, according to the question, we need to find out which of the cities is more fertile. Now, whichever city has a higher value of TFR, that city will be more fertile. So write the conclusion. Since TFR of B is equal to 3528.85 is greater than TFR of A, which is equal to 3130, city B is more fertile. Statistics is not about numbers, equations, or computations. It's about understanding. Understand the concepts well and continue to practice. Thank you all for watching and look out for my next video on reproduction rates.